Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you are wondering what I have been doing, well, this is it. I've been planting. The sun is out and it's beautiful today. It's about, I say maybe 85, 86 degrees, and it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. So anyway, let me give you a tour of what I have been doing. Okay, I have all the seedlings that I planted indoor. They're not perfect, but I think once they go in the ground, they'll be okay. This is zucchini, and this is kokuza squash, and this is what is it? Heirloom tomatoes. Uh, this is coleus, I think. Coleus. They are not growing too well, but if they don't make it, that's okay. And this is a variety of tomatoes. We have black cherry, yellow cherry, and small, what is it here? Small heirlooms, and then we have slicers and red cherry. Over here we have a different kind of cucumber, which is very delicious. And over here we have asparagus beans. And here is the bitter melon. Oop, right here, bitter melon. My mom loves these bitter melons. We put it in a soup with, you know, make soup out of it. Fish soup, chicken soup, or whatnot. Over here I planted Asian mint or pak pale. If you've been looking at my video, I've been using this in my lab. And then next to it I have, if you can see, I have basil. And over here I have spearmint. This comes back every year, but this year I added the soil, so I added the seeds as well. Over here I have Thai basil, which is delicious. You can put it in Thai curry chicken soup. And over here I have lemon basil, which is also another kind of mint that we put in our Asian food. And then I have green onions, and then basil, and rosemary over here. Thyme, this is from last year. I brought it inside and try to save it, but brought it back a few days ago outside, and it's looking pretty good. It's coming back. And then all these flowers, which I planted 2 days ago, some I seeded and some I bought from different places. My daughter went to her friend's house, and she was given these plants. This is artichoke, and this is dahlia. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's black something. I can't tell. And not sure what this is either. Oh, Shasta daisy. So we'll put that in the ground today. And here are my planters. more plants to put in the garden. This is Asian eggplants that I got from an Asian market. This is Black Eye Susan. They're kind of, you know, I did not have very good lights inside the house, so they're kind of stringy. But I'm going to let them sit for maybe another 2-3 days and put them in the ground soon. They'll be just fine. And this is tobacco. Ginger, which I plan to put in the ground today. Not sure what this is. I planted, but I lost the sign. Oh, actually no, this is sunflower, red sunflower. And these are chili peppers, cayenne peppers. I love flowers. Aren't they pretty? Give it another 2 weeks. This is going to be all full. Apparently, yesterday the rabbit had dug a big hole right over here, and I didn't realize that my husband had filled it in already. And look at it, he did fill it in, and apparently they came back, and I'm sure, you know, tomorrow morning it's going to be a big hole again. I have a lot of Creepy Charlie. So tomorrow, a local gardening place is going to come over and kill the Creeping Charlie. So hopefully that would minimize the problems. My grapevine is doing really well, and it's climbing. Oh my goodness, it's already producing the grapes. Look, I hope you can see it. Look at that. Those are going to be a great bunch of grapes. Wow, I didn't realize that they're producing the grapes this early, but apparently they do. This one is growing slowly, which I don't mind, and I hope that they grow and fill up this trellis right here. I haven't cleaned up this garden bed yet, but this is peppermint, and as you can see, they are coming back really nicely. I use this mint a lot. I make tea, and it's really good for you. And then when I have sore throat, I drink mint tea, and it's delicious with a little bit of honey. Lots of lots of weed as well. See, and over here, well, leftover lettuce from last year. I'm going to put chilies in here, and cucumbers and zucchini and squash, and a lot more. The clematis is coming back nicely. Some have been chewed up by the bunnies. I don't know how they get in this garden. Obviously, you know, it's pretty well secured. I mean, it's fenced in, but they have a way of coming in and chew the bottom of these, and then once they chew the bottom, then everything is gone. Over here I have green collard. I had this with my lunch yesterday, some of it. It's very spicy, very good. And this is another kind of mint. This is spearmint. It's coming back. It's growing. Can't really tell, but right now you see mostly the weeds. Eventually it's going to be full of spearmints. This is the bait for the asparagus beans, which I haven't done much yet. Yesterday I was cleaning up this area. This normally is full of rose bushes. For some reason this year they did not come back, so I cleaned them up and just save whatever I could save. This is phlox. And this is hostas. Lots of wheat over there. And these clematis are coming back really nicely. And the grass, I'm going to transplant that to someplace to the front yard. Clematis, really nice. I planted the chilies yesterday, and hopefully I will have a great crop to make salsa. Another bed of chili. And this clematis is growing beautifully. Look at that. I prepared these raised beds yesterday. What you see there or over here is the mammoth sunflower. This is the huge sunflower. We planted for the first time 4 years ago, and they, because the birds love them, so they come back every year. And look at that, the seeds, the birds love them. But anyway, we are going to be putting cucumbers, zucchini, or whatnot in these beds. So it's all been prepared and ready to go. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, what I'm going to plant in these containers yet. I'm going to add more soil and amend the soil a little bit. And hopefully it's going to give out good crops. And over here I amended the soil yesterday, adding what do you call I forgot, manure, and then raised bed soil. And this is where I'm going to plant tomatoes. And these raised beds have not been touched yet, but eventually I am going to put Asian eggplants here, and maybe this one would I would put artichoke in here. Artichoke is a very big plant, and it can grow up to up to my waist. And I remember when I was living in Morocco, we had artichoke plants in our garden, and we love it. We ate it all the time, and they grow all year round. So we were really amazed that you know, a few plants would produce a whole bunch of artichokes. And, you know, if you love artichokes, well, you should plant them. So this is it. This is the tour of my garden. If you like to see me grow more vegetables or plants, in addition to what I already have, please comment, give me suggestions, please share, please like, and subscribe. So thank you very much for watching. See you soon.